All right, so welcome back to my channel. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for your responses and your feedback. So like I promised, today I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for evaluation or for setting quiz and exam questions. Let's go into it very quickly. Right, so I have taught, let's assume I have taught English language to pupils in grade 3, and I have taught some topics. Yes, first of all, you need to know the topics you have taught these children, and you need to know the number of questions you expect, or number of questions that you normally prepare for an examination, and the number of total scores. That will inform the number of questions that will cover all the topics you have taught your people or your pupil. These are the things you are going to provide ChatGPT, and then it will do the magic. So let's take for example, I have taught grade 3 pupils. Let's see, I have taught them 5 English language topics. So let me give a prompt. Please give me 5 questions each for an examination in English language for grade 3. Let it be a multiple choice questions. Below is the topic, or below are the topics. Okay, so if you look at it already, it has given me questions, suggestive questions for pupils in grade 3, but it may not have captured all the topics that I did. And as you can see, this is just 5 questions. So I'm going to continue. So below are the topics you should what? Cover. So countable nouns, abstract nouns, proper nouns. The next, let me look for another topic that's not a noun. Proper noun, pronouns, 1, 2, 3, 4 pronouns, and let's say adjectives. Okay, give 5 questions for each topic. Let's see, it's working on it. Good. This is it. It's saying great, here's a full grade 3 exam question with 5 multiple choice questions for each of the following topics. So it has to relate back to me the topics that I gave to it for confirmation. So these are the topics, 5 of them. Okay, so let's see what the questions looks like. Can you see? Under countable nouns, we have 5 questions. Which of the following is a countable noun? So my pupil have to choose. It has now given me the option, the correct answer, just in case for your marking guide. But of course, we are going to come to this. Number 2, we saw many dash at the zoo. So it's going to choose countable noun. Choose the countable noun. It's going to choose one. Then like that. So we come to the second section, abstract noun. Which of these is an abstract noun? You have to choose. My teacher always talks about dash. Okay, so that's countable noun. Let's go to proper noun. Which of these is a proper noun? Choose one. Choose the proper noun here. Yeah. Then I visited dash last year. Choose. Which word is not a proper noun? So you have to choose here. Then let's go to pronouns. Which of these is a pronoun? Like that. Dash is my best friend, and like that, like that. So let's look at adjective. Which of these is an adjective? The cat The dash cat chased the rat. You choose an adjective like that, and like that. So you have seen that if you copy this thing with the answers, you have exposed yourself, and you have also made it very easy for the children. So you can actually ask it to do what? You can ask it to give you without the options, or you can ask it to hide the options for you. You can ask it to hide the options for you so that you won't expose it to the learner. So I can say, give the answers below the questions in a separate page. It's working on it. Let's see what it comes out with. Analyzing. I hope it doesn't run out my time for today. So this is it. Beautiful. And you know what it has done? It says click here to download Greatly English exam question. So with this, you can download it, and it's going to come as a Word document. Let's see. Yeah, it's done downloading. You can see it here, done downloading. So let me open the file. Yeah, grade 3, look at it. Okay, so let me open it. While I'm opening it, I get to show you. Yeah, we're opening it already. Let me show you what it looked like. Just a moment, I'll be with you. Yeah, so it's loading. That's the Word document it sent me. WPS. It's taking time because of the internet. Usually it should have opened, but because of internet, it's going to be requesting for an upgrade. So let's give it some time. So you can see the name already, Grade 3 English Exam Document. So if it opens this file, you now have total control of what you can see on the file, because you can edit, you can add, you can delete, you can amend, you can print. So this is what ChatGPT is showing us. That's my exam question, and it's ready in a matter of what? Minutes. In a matter of minutes, it's ready. So who is not going to use it? Tell me who that person is that won't want to use this app. Please, my fellow teachers, the world is fast or quickly or being revolutionized. So don't be left behind. Take advantage. Look at it. Imagine this. I can edit this. I can remove. Look at it. I can remove. I've just removed that. I can bring it back. I can increase the font. I can change the style. I mean, this is a free world, you know, making life very, very easy. Mind you, these are not the best of questions. The prompt I gave to it determines the kind of question it has given. So if you decide to give it a more powerful prompt, sure, it will do a more powerful and a more detailed work. It's all about being intentional, knowing exactly what you want from the app, and ensuring that you get the best out of it. The essence is that teachers just have to do what? Teachers have to make use of the opportunities that are available at their disposal. We have to make use of this opportunity. We have to use technology while it is still available for us. So thank you very much for watching this video again. I hope it makes sense. I hope you're learning something, right? If you're learning something, please do well to give us a thumbs up. Yeah, give us a thumbs up. You can as well subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share these videos, share it to teachers, share it to people who are using it, and see that it gets to them so that they can also be in the know and give themselves some stress-free moments while being a teacher. No teacher should die while teaching. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Bye.